Here's TOCHAT app. As you can see in here, meet new friends. So here is the app, and quite popular. Welcome to TOCHAT. At TOCHAT, you can communicate with real users. We'll help you find and meet new friends to enhance the dating experience. Everyone can authenticate themselves as a real person in TOCHAT. And we will prioritize, recommend, and authenticate new friends to our users. TOCHAT also offers the opportunity to meet your AI friend with whom you can share your feelings or anything on your mind, including things you may never share it with others. So that's the idea. So that's what it is. It's built by this company. I don't know, to be honest, how legit is this app, because there are so many these new social Chinese apps, which are basically one-day apps. But yeah, here you have it. You have humans, or then you have AI chat with who you can just communicate. So you can select filters, age, multiple photos. Yeah, that's what you have. Then you can have this random video chat where you can just post anything. You can search users, rankings, likes, and then you have your chats. A lot of AI users in here, so this seems to be not real people at all. However, it just says message, but that's, I don't know. And then you have your account where you have gems, which you have in here. So you have your gems balance, you have your profile settings. You can delete your account if you're not happy that your data is being used. So again, you can just buy these gems from here. So there is level, so then you can just so you can then just reach different levels depending on your actions. Then there is store, so you have your avatars which you can just wear. Inventory, there are different items, gifts which you can use. Then there is help. And then again, you can just see your posts. VIP, so you can upgrade to VIP version. So 1 month is $30, so it's quite expensive app. I don't know if it's worth it, to be honest. Then 12 months is $160. 1 week is $10. So yeah, then you have unlimited chat, unlimited waves, advanced filters, see who's already visited you. So yeah, that's basically the idea. In here, that's the app. As you can see, I already received one message. So it seems there are so many AI bots in here. So that's just what you have. Yeah, so there it is. You decide whether you want to use it. If you read some reviews, some people, this is what they see here. They don't respond. Scam, fake profiles, waste of time and money. So you can see quite not positive reviews in here. So just be careful with this kind of apps. Even if these apps have, like 5,000 ratings, still I think a lot of these ratings can be kind of, posted from fake accounts or something. And so the app looks like it's completely original and cool, but in fact it can be fake. So yeah, but there you have it.